Suarez. To the back, a plan for three. 3-1. Jersey 03 to Lavares. 15 seconds to shoot. Legaspi, shot. Rebound Harriole. To Suarez. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ada pikiran?
Block by Legaspi. Double to Mikabani. His brother Mikabani attack for three shot. Rebound double. No good again. Rebound Harriole. To Suarez. 6 minutes.
Ora!
Suarez to Remedizo. Fake. Shot. Rebound Harriole. No good again. Rebound Lavares. To Mikabani. Lavares, 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Double attack for three. Shot. Jersey number 8. Suarez to Naga. Attempt for three. Back to Jersey number 9 Naga. Jersey number 3. Drive.
Oy.
Foul.
Oh, sige, go.
Jersey number 8, Suarez. Second personal foul, first team foul. 5 minutes.
Di pwede na slide lang.
Double. Rebound Nagak. To Suarez. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Suarez.
Paulo, piti.
Ariole.
Nice one.
4 minutes and 20. It's score 57-19. Medyo layo-layo. Apa sa Israel?
Anong pa mo? Oh,
Jersey number 10, Ariole. To Suarez.
gani.
4 minutes.
Resasan!
Naga again.
Charlang.
NHA basketball. Ten seconds to shoot.
To ara.
Remedizo fake.
Nice one.
Awanak.
Jersey number 28.
Pang hinawak na sila tanan.
Lubong kayo, lubong.
Liga Bani. Jersey number 03. Challenge by Suarez. Step back play. Rebound Naga. 3 minutes and 20.
Tinunga na. To anak yun.
Remedizo. Spin. Shoot. Labanan. Foul. Jersey number 28. Remedizo.
40.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Sige tayo na ibig, siguro.
Oh, 59-19.
Mika Bani to Lavares fake. Attempt for three. Short. Mika Bani on the rebound. There's a foul. Jersey number 10. Harriole. First personal foul. Third team foul. He scored 59-19. 1 point.
Puyo ba nga video ko? Sige, taas pa na pa kayong oras.
Perfect free throw. Jersey number 03, Mika Bani. Suarez to Nagak. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Wala na.
Nagak again for three. Rebound Legaspi to Mika Bani. One-on-one play. Mika Bani from the parking lot. Short. Out of bounds.
Oh, wala na diha. Pumi na, nagisi na dia.
Suarez.
Kanang katong may kabani. Isa. Apre.
Nagak drive. Nagak. No good. Rebound Ligaspi. Ligaspi to Migabani. Migabani.
Malas lang, malas.
No good again. Ligaspi ang rebound. Wala ka po. Suarez. Libre. 2 points. Suarez.
Yan na eh.
Migabani. Tulabares. 2 hits.
Malas yan.
Suarez, 2. Suarez, 2 points. Suarez Millard. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Migabani. Suarez. Suarez, 2 points. Time out. Elgin. Remaining time 1 minute and 33 seconds for the third quarter. He scored 65-21.
Ah. 44 ya.
Next game, prepare. CSP versus Fasil. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 1 minute and 33 seconds
Ben,
for the third quarter.
Naikar.
Lavares attempt for 3. Suarez Bandidos to Nagak to Villegas. Short. Villegas on the rebound, 2 points. Villegas. Salo to Ligan. Seconds to play. 55. 50. 15 seconds shot clock. 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Patay.
40. 35. 30 seconds.
Doon lang oras kayo. Ha?
25 seconds. 3 points, Migabani. 20 seconds. 15.
44 biya. Tapos man.
10.